the effects.
To go wapi?
Kwa Richie G, ATL ENT, ATL ENT. Loud noises, check this.
Beat drops, y'all faded, the poker face. Yup, I'm the joker in the back, on the ribs of the lungs. I got you caged up around infinite bars, I'm literal, the real yo straight on the beat, my body's slanting. Pioneer sounds, I influence quick Latin. Uncontrollable lines, so portable, unmentionable core, Bermuda, even the polar boy. What's the curriculum, not for the IQ minimum. IQ lines on the track after I cued it down. You need skill and motivating thrill to make real raps, not of status and bills. I won't rap about stacks, I ain't got none of that. Spit life, cause you get every piece of that. No celebrity status is worth my battle. I'd rather not have it, but maintain my rock. So I hysterical bliss, and I say hardcore sensible hymns. My mental ace, I was destined for greatness, but the down pluses misinterpret this. No matter how great you are in this earth, the growth stay the same as long as you give birth. Aside from that, I'm the main man with the main plan, with the main clan, so believe that. Ghetto gospel, hood boys in the booth. I rap while I lie, honestly, it's the truth. When the mouth chainsaw rips, just know it's murder on the beat.
Merciless, when they hear this, they ought to order their body bags, cause we are
murderers, murderers, murderers.
Merciless, when they hear this, they ought to order their body bags, cause we are
murderers, murderers.
Kamili ni commission ya kumeka kizi mamili na sunajua mina himziki ni kama saa inarungu kaboom, ndo effect ndachi ya hama rapper nikiwa spray na doom, njua mefika hapa nikiona my future museum, njuna jiona nikiwa papa soko hama rapper la sapa na njaya chapa ni iti ya bus. My time neza get so rocky, I'm a rapper, they get rid of me ASAP. Wakinskiza wauko, oh my, njumi wa seti kwa baseline. Tawa madana punchline moja, deadline. Sound close my path, kuwa rada ya hiyo red light. If you are my girl, definitely joto ntakupasha pasha. Then to get nasty, pasa. I'm a fala kuwa piga dasta, Josindo my master. Kuatisha kama monster, kuachani mapoza maponster.
Merciless, when they hear this, they ought to order their body bags, cause we are
murderers, murderers, murderers.
Merciless, when they hear this, they ought to order their body bags, cause we are
murderers, murderers.
Yo, so the maiden verse, I fucked up for sure. The second take, I fucked up even more. Back to the drawing board, jotting something you can adore. Kick and smack down these snares, cause I'm raw. Now I'm feeling with the only ones killing. You be wishing as I wake them into tripping beef. I'm cock sure you can fuck with me. Obstinate, obstreperous, so stubborn, loud noisy that the Kardashians can't keep up with me. At times in school I got an E, but for the F I'm still G. Oops, shitty memory. What killed the cat? After me a curiosity. I ask them versus ask who's the real slaughterhouse. Like a porn star with the drawing his penis just before ejaculating. I'm out.
Or maybe not, take you back to the motherland.
Dogo mdogo to stardom, umorani hadi kifo. Big up rockin' na nizzle, jinsi ilivyo. For the love na fans, kwa chat siren. Shaba. Merciless, when they hear this, they ought to order their body bags, cause we are
murderers, murderers, murderers.
Merciless, when they hear this, they ought to order their body bags, cause we are
murderers,
They call me red eye cause they claim I'm high. They fear looking direct into my blazing eyes, cause they know I'm the real master of these guys. Walking around preaching hip-hop with the illest rhymes. I saw this coming, effects to conquer us. Better reaction, they use us instead of phosphorus. You better mess with can see me, but not with us. Leave you useless like a foreskin, break your esophagus. I'll leave you helpless and breathless like the dude coaching ward. The only difference you'll be lying in the hospital ward. I know it sounds so cruel, but I'm just getting started. You people need to start appreciating local talent. Look at Lupita, Adongo, Soti, Solo, Nwanyama. These guys are putting much effort to place Kenya on the map. So let's nurture, appreciate and loosen that gap. Then tell me if 244 won't rule the world. Red eye.
Merciless, when they hear this, they ought to order their body bags.